Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Malka and today I'm so excited to share with you my ultimate recipe for hot chocolate monkey bread with marshmallows, also known as stuffed monkey bread. It is so easy to make. You can use your bread dough, Pillsbury dough, or any soft dough you have on hand, and within a few minutes you are going to be left with an amazing dessert. And if you like this kind of content that includes easy and delicious recipes to help you live a simplified yet more meaningful Jewish life, please consider subscribing. So let's jump into it. Today we will make a monkey bread recipe from scratch using this super easy bread recipe that can be made by hand or by mixer. The recipe will be in the description box. In a bowl, you're going to proof your yeast, adding your sugar, your yeast, and warm water, and you're going to put it aside. In another bowl, you're going to add your flour with your salt and your sugar, and you are going to mix everything together. Incorporate the eggs one by one, making sure the egg is fully mixed in before adding the other one. And of course, don't forget to check them for blood spots before adding them to the mix. Mix in your oil and incorporate it fully. Once that it's done, add your proof yeast and mix everything together. Add the rest of the liquid and continue kneading until you form a ball. Once that your ball of dough is formed, cover it with a cling wrap and a tea towel and let it rest until it doubles in size. Once the time is done, punch down your dough for about 2 to 3 minutes. Roll out your dough to form a long log and cut it in small pieces. Your monkey bread pieces don't need to be exactly the same size. Take a piece of dough, then form a disc. Once that it's done, you can add a few marshmallows and a few chocolate chips. And seal the pod completely and make sure there are no spaces left, otherwise the filling will ooze out. One of the reasons why I love this monkey bread recipe is that you can fill in the pods with whatever you want. Some could be only with some marshmallows, some with only chocolate chips, and you can vary from one to the next. You will need about 20 to 30 pods to completely fill in a regular bundt pan. Dip your pods in melted margarine or melted butter and coat them with a mixture of sugar and cocoa or sugar and cinnamon, depending on what you prefer. Continue the process until all the balls of your gooey bread are fully coated, and once that they are coated, place them in your baking mold and cover them. Let them rise 15 to 30 minutes, the time that you prepare the syrup. In a pan, add some brown sugar, some margarine or butter, and heat it on low to medium heat until it becomes a caramel. Pour the caramel over your monkey bread, then make sure that the syrup goes everywhere by swaying the mold from side to side. Then it's ready to be put in a preheated oven at 350° Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Since you've been following me now for a little while, you know that the trick to have amazing moist baked good is to cover them with a tea towel as soon as they come out of the oven. So we're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. You're now ready to unmold your hot chocolate monkey bread with marshmallows. Simply put a plate lined with some parchment paper on top of your mold and flip it. Wait a few seconds, and now you are ready to wiggle it out. You are now ready to enjoy your gooey bread recipe filled with flavor and drenched with amazing syrup that is so moist and is sure to please everyone. And if you like this kind of content, all about simplifying yet leading a more meaningful Jewish life, please do subscribe to our channel. We do upload new content every week. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.